The case for the Galaxy Buds 3 has just been leaked, and it looks like futuristic AirPods. It seems that Samsung will finally make a radical change in the design of these earbuds this generation, which will even result in a redesign of their case. In this case, it seems more like a fusion of AirPods with nothing earbuds, as it incorporates a transparent lid that reveals part of the design of these earbuds. This has been posted by an X account, where they apparently found a case distributor that already has a case available for this new design. So in these images, in addition to the special case, you can see the design of this case and also the design of the earbuds, which would have a satin finish with a dark silver color. Indeed, actually. The design is interesting, although fans of the tubeless design are a bit disappointed. However, I think it's a change that will benefit Samsung because they will obviously have more space to introduce more components. The microphone will be more directed towards the voice, and they will have a larger battery. We will have to wait a few more days because it will still be a while before we officially see these earbuds, but for now, if this leak is true, the change looks interesting. Let me know your opinion.